Alright, good morning everybody. If you ever wonder how they plow roads in Colorado in a snowstorm, this is it. So there's 6 trucks here and there's 2 that just did the exit ramp. And it's very exciting. They basically have the whole road blocked off. And several of them are dumping sand also. Here's these other guys over here. They're coming back onto the road. Again, they do the off ramps and on ramps. So it's quite the setup. I don't know if they're pumping mag chloride or not, but it's pretty impressive. Unfortunately, they got the whole road blocked off and we're doing 20 miles an hour. But the good news is it's nice and clear. So I don't know how often they do this or how that works, but it's kind of a cool setup. You can see this guy dumping sand out the back. Sand or gravel or whatever it is. And so is the one over here. There's a huge line behind us of cars. The good news is it's only a couple miles till the exit onto I-70, so I don't know. Hopefully they're not going to do I-70. I guess time will tell. We got a couple minutes. Anyway, signing off. Headed to Copper Mountain to ski.